it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my latest sticker haul. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, I'm really excited because this is the first time I've ever placed an order with HanCanPlan. I've seen some of her kits on Instagram or in other YouTubers' channels. All of my friends have used her before, and so I'm excited that I finally got a chance to place an order. I had had some things sitting in my Etsy cart for a little while, just kind of waiting for that opportunity. The other shop that I ordered from, one of my favorites, is Orange Umbrella Co. It's been a little bit since I've ordered anything from them, and so I found some cute things for fall and just thought we'd kind of take a look. So let's get started. I'm going to start with HanCanPlan. Isn't this little sticker label of hers super cute? Thank you for supporting my small business, Hannah. I love this font. I love font that looks like kind of like the handwriting. It's super cute. Okay, so let's crack into this packaging here. And then we'll start with, look at this like giant size freebie. Like, I guess this is called a half sheet maybe? I don't know exactly. I'm not a sticker maker, but it's got so many cute icons on it. Okay, love all of the conversation bubbles. Ready to work, fold laundry. Of course, love the puppy paw. Tidy up, that's cute with the little duster. Drink water, I love all of these. These are super cute, and I like the quality of her paper. It feels really good. So that's the freebie. This kit is kit 0803. It's called Rustic Floral. So let me grab all the sheets for this one. I'll put these over the side. So I ordered the main kind of date header sheet. I love this floral. Isn't this pretty? These kind of bluish gray mixed in with some peach, a little bit of brown. This is so pretty. So that's got some washi on it, the date headers, a couple of boxes there. And then these are the full boxes. Enjoy the little things. I love that quote. That's perfect for the box in the lower left-hand corner of my plum planner. I love putting quotes there. This is really pretty. I like these kind of decorative boxes too, where there's still space here where you could write something in. It's fun to put like special occasions in there, birthdays or what have you. This is beautiful. I love the subtle florals in that one. And then this is the boxes. So decorative boxes, plain boxes, some little circle like checklist circles, a couple of flags here. Lots of fonts, utensils, a couple of habit trackers, kind of like a weekly tracker. You could use this for meals or workouts. The weekend banner. Oh, I love this font. Fern Creek stickers, just a similar font. Really cute. I love this little ombre checklist box. And then, of course, I got the sheet of washi. I love washi sheets. This is so pretty. I love this. Don't you love this? This is so cute. Okay, so this was Rustic Floral. And then moving on, this one here is called Summer Cottage. I know summer is over, friends, but I couldn't resist. This was the kit that I saw on Instagram. I think it was Instagram. Anyways, I loved the blue and yellow in this. So, so pretty. I might use it in November. For some reason, I think you can do blue florals in November. Anyways, same thing. The washi with date headers, full boxes. Happiness is an inside job. I love that. I love this little plaid. This little floral on a plaid background is super cute. Love this. So that's the full boxes. Again, this is sort of like boxes with decorative boxes, flags, that same sheet. Oops, got some little there. And then the scripts and icons. Look at the little car scale, the little planner, so cute. And then of course the washi. I love this. I love kind of this sort of spotted. They're not perfectly circles, like not perfect polka dots, but just sort of a spotted dot. That's really cute. So that was Summer Cottage. And then this one is called Wildflowers. Same sheets, just different colors. I love these florals. Okay, so there's that. And then there's the full boxes. Find joy in every new day. Love that. I love this. This is so pretty with that green. And this is really cute how she blew up one floral on top of a floral background. I think that's really cute. And then more of those deco and shaded boxes with flags, checklist dots. Here's all of the scripts, icons, trackers. Really pretty. And then more washi. This is so cute. I just love all of these kits. So how she has her kits priced, it's really great because each of these, as you notice, they all had the same sheets because this was considered like a full kit. So it was $19 for each of these kits. So you got all of these sheets. Let's see, how many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 sheets for $19, which is really, really nice because, I mean, a sheet like this size on many shops sells for $5, $5.50 a piece. So I kind of like that sort of packaged. And then you get all of the pieces. I like all the stuff, right? You want to have everything. So that's my order from HanCanPlan. We'll put that off to the side. And then let's take a look at what we got from Orange Umbrella Co. So fun. She always includes this cute little postcard. Thank you so much for your support. And then just a cute little wish list here on the back of that. Okay, let's start with all of these freebies, like in this little bag here. There's so many. Okay, this is cute. Gift ideas, party time, birthday wish. Those are really sweet for birthday. Oh, look at all these happy birthdays. I love that. Oh, I'm going to use those. Cute little laptops. These are great for like upload, film, edit, upload. A couple of scripts. Don't forget payday this week, next week, to buy, to go, to do laundry. And then shaded boxes. I love these primary colors. This is great. That's a wonderful set of freebies. Okay, so first I got just sort of this script sheet for sinking funds. I like to have these just in case. Sometimes when I'm doing my budget for the month, I just use like washi, and so I need the sinking funds header. So I just got some headers here. And then let's start with this one. This kit here, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna put these over to the side. So this one is kit 872, and it is Autumn Begins. So I got full boxes. Look at how pretty this is. I love sort of these more retro colors. This is really cute. So full boxes, appointment labels, because you know I use a lot of those. And then I got some half boxes. And then date headers, weekend. And then this one is kind of like the sampler or essentials, just some more boxes, scripts. I like that. I love all these little asterisks and little checkbox dots. That's a tongue twister. And then some flags. And then, of course, the washi, as always. I love all of these sort of geometric type prints. Cool. So that's Autumn Begins. And then the next one is called Cheerful Autumn. And this is kit 874. So I did something similar where I got all of the boxes, cute pumpkins. This is so vibrant. Really, really pretty. I love that sunflower. And then, of course, I got plain labels here. I got appointment labels, half boxes. Sorry, am I going too fast? And then the date headers. Some more of those scripts and other boxes with all the cute little asterisks and the little check boxes there. And, of course, the washi. Look at how darling the washi is. I love this little one with the umbrellas. Isn't that sweet? I think that's so cute. Okay, and so in addition to a kit for weekly, oh, I know, that's why I bought these regular labels here, because I also bought the monthly. So with Orange Umbrella Co., I love it because you can use this for any month of the year. So I could save this and use it for August. I could use it in September, October, whatever I wanted. So you order the month scripts. I ordered these to go with it because I like to use these plain labels in my monthly spread versus the appointment labels. And then here's the washi that fits across the top of plum paper, your days of the week, your date covers, a couple of scripts here, to-do notes, birthdays, important day off. And then I got the highlights page, so washi for the headers on the highlights page, and then 3 circles. Now, at Orange Umbrella Co., they do this in 2 different layouts where you can get this one with the tracker, or you can get the other sheet, which I think they call Simple, and it has 2 boxes similar to this with just lines in it. And so normally I would not get this sheet with the tracker because I don't use these trackers, but that sheet was sold out at the time that I ordered this. So I went ahead and got it because I'll probably change this out for one of my, I have like some quote stickers that I can put in there. But I really like this plaid. I really thought this was a cute kit. So that is the Cheerful Autumn. So that's it. That's all I did. Just kind of a quick little order here from Orange Umbrella Co. Let's put these all together so you can see them. I love this green washi. That's so cute. And then all of my darling kits from HanCanPlan. I'm so excited for fall and all of the planning that I'll do with all of these great kits. Can we see them all? Alrighty friends, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.